Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last sessions, we have seen how we can code a string into a barcode and QR code, and as well as how we can decode a image into a string. So in this session, we'll see one example how we directly convert a QR code into a barcode and barcode into QR code. So let's begin the process with a new sequence. So here I created one sequence with the name as encode and decode. So first I will take one encoder. So first we will see how we can convert a barcode into QR code. I'll just rename this display name as barcode generator. Here I'm changing the format as well. So by default it will be QR code, and I'm just changing into code 128, which gives me barcode. Here the height will be 100. I'm just showing the input as the margin. I'm keeping it as 15. Pure barcode is true. It means it will not show the text below the barcode. I'll remove this underscore. But also I'm keeping it as 100. Okay. So the output will be my barcode image. So my variable name is barcode image. As you can see in the variables, so the output of barcode generator is barcode image. Let me remove the unused variables. So here we can see barcode image, the variable type as image is available here. So now we need to convert this barcode image into a string. So for that I am just using this decode image. The input of this decode image will be an image. So I am just configuring this barcode image variable, and the output, as we know, it will generate a text which is converted from barcode. So I am just keeping it as variable as decode bar value. So this is nothing but the converted barcode text. Okay. So now I will take one encode string. Okay. So here I will view the health, height, and the properties as 100 and with the margin as, and here my format will be QR code, as we are interested in converting barcode into a QR code. So and I am replacing the display name as barcode generator. Okay. So next thing is here in the input expression. So we need to input the string. So currently we have a decode image variable which is holding the data of barcode, which is nothing but in the string format. So here I will keep this name as a decode bar value. So and once the output is generated, it will be a QR code. So I will store it in a variable called barcode image. This menu image variable. So for saving this into a local, so we need to use one more activity called save image activity. Just using this. So here my input of the save image activity is nothing but a image file. So here the output of the QR code generator is QR code image, and we need to specify the file location where we want to store our barcode. So just browse the folder location. By default it will be the project local. I just want to save it like QR code image. So it is showing as QR code image.png. So let's check this now. So execution is started. Execution is completed. So let's check the project folder whether we got the required image or not. So here our intention is to convert our barcode into a QR code. Yeah, see, we got one image with the name as QR code image. So let's open this. So you can see the format also as PNG. Here we got one image. So as we get the margin as 20, so that's why it is showing as a small picture, and here the width and other properties are also small. So that's why we got the small size of QR code. So if you scan this with your mobile or with the decoder, so you will get the message what we have configured here in the barcode generator. So that is nothing but hello world barcode. Okay, so let's do the same process how we can use these activities to generate a barcode from a QR code generator. So I will just update here in the same flow, and here I am placing the QR code generated at the top. So this time I will configure the value here as barcode activity. So I am QR code activity. So here I am just keeping in the same format, and here I create one more new variable called barcode image. So this will generate image. So this is the variable which stores a barcode image. Okay. So here inside the decode image, I will keep the format input image as the barcode image one, which is nothing but the output from the QR code generator. Wait a second, so I just need to update it as QR code image. Here I will change it into QR code image. So and the output value will be stored in new variable. So and again here we have a barcode generator. So here instead of the input text, I will use the output variable of a decode image. So this time my output value will be shown in the QR code value. So here I am placing that variable here, and this time I will use this as false so that I should be able to see the text whatever we configured in this QR code generator under the generated barcode. Okay. So I will just update this size as well as 200, and the width also as 200. Okay. So and the output of this will be stored in a new variable. This existed, I guess. So I will use the same one. Barcode image one will be like variable which stores the image. So here also in the same image I am just updating it as barcode image one, and here in this folder location I will just update it as barcode image. Okay. So here we have a lot of variables. So to avoid the confusion, I will use variables. So just click on this remove unused variables, automatically moves the variables which are not in use. Okay. So all the configuration is done. So let's check whether flow is generating the required image or not, project folder or not. So the execution is completed. Here we can see it is completed in 3 seconds. Okay, so let's refresh this once. See, a barcode image is generated. So here our latest image is the barcode image. Yeah, here we can see a barcode is generated and it is saying hello world, I am QR code activity. So here our input is in the QR code generator is what we got here in the image. Hello world, I am QR code activity. If you observe this, it is completed in just seconds. So initially conversion from barcode to QR code is completed in 2 seconds. Now it is completed in just 3 seconds. So it is very powerful way to convert the barcodes or to generate the barcodes or QR codes in UiPath Studio. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoy this session. So please do subscribe and like our channel and need your valuable feedback in the comment sections. So for now, please share this video with your friends for more interesting updates on UiPath Studio. Thank you.